Before we master the workflow, we need the right foundation. First, head over to zen-browser.app. Look for the download button in the top right corner and give it a click. Then, select the main download button in the center of the screen to grab the latest stable build. Once the installer is ready, fire it up. Just hit Next through the standard prompts and click Finish to launch. On your very first start, you'll be greeted by the Zen onboarding wizard. This is where the magic happens. If you're moving over from another browser, click Import to bring in your bookmarks, history, and passwords automatically. Next, decide if you want to set Zen as your primary browser. Choose your preference and hit Next. From here, pick your default search engine and keep moving through the prompts. Now for the fun part, pick your primary workspace color. This sets the tone for your entire browsing experience. Once you've made your choice, click Next one last time, hit Dive In, and you are officially ready to start using the most productive browser of 2026.